Like I said, I'm too big, I'm too mature for all the social media ranting, validation, or all the social media ranting, validation, or justice. I mean, it doesn't make sense. For a reason, I do not want that all the voice notes to come out. The voice notes supposed to be between myself and him, which is not supposed to be out there, you know. But for a reason, he released it out to people. We're fine. Maybe he thought, I mean, it's not maybe, he has been doing there because he's a blogger. Then people will start bashing me out. But hey, to God, know the best. I did not send it to any blogger. And I did not I don't want, what's it called? Facebook justice or validation, or I want people to be on my side. No, 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 no. I don't want that. But I just want people to know I have my peace of mind. I don't care what people say, but I just want people to know that I'm in safe hand where I am. I'm in safe hand where I am. All my loved ones, they've been calling me. I didn't even pick so many calls. I just want them to know that I'm fine. That incident that I had a partial stroke, it was last year, October. I'm still healing. And I did not tell nobody. I was just passing a lot of things by myself. So I didn't come out to explain myself. I did not come out to find justice. So anybody can say whatever they like. But as long as, and I'm not coming out to debunk anything. If I'm still doing that, if I do that, that means I still want like that. But let me tell you, people, my people, just be calming down. I'm already okay. I'm still doing I'm on therapy. All the lies that anyone can put down and cook against me, I just want you people to know, were you there? If you are not there, and if you are not in my shoe, you cannot say whatever that this is it. You are not passing the same thing that I'm passing through. If I decided not to talk, I know I have a reason. I have a very good family. I have my family name to protect. I have a family name to protect. My family don't like what is going on. No, no. They told me not to come out, but I just have to come out today. I have to beg them that I have to come out today. That I'm not explaining anything. I just want to come out to let people know that I'm fine. Because I did. It's not that when you call me, I'm disrespecting you. I didn't pick your call. No, I just don't want to talk. I already find my peace. Sometimes when you enter a wrong bus, you know what I mean? You enter one chance bus. You might not know until that thing happen. So the only thing you will do is you pray to God that you will drop or you land safely. Because you might under the wrong bus that you enter without your knowledge, you might decide. I mean, you might pie along the way on the wrong bus, on the one chance bus. Anybody can come out to swear with the Al-Quran, which I believe. But if you swear with Al-Quran, or you are making a oath under the lies, hey, how do you think you can get you can compete with that person? You cannot. Somebody that has been lying all his life is lies. So there's no point. People that knows me, they will be able to testify. The only thing I know that may the good Lord reward me, whatever. My past is my past. Now I'm in my present. Any video can be going out. My love, my life. No, 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 no. Any video that you didn't see, hey, my microblading. that old video. Because I did this microblading in Nigeria last year. And since then, the issue has been on the ground. So any video that you see that this microblading and my nose ring or my pair nose is not there with whoever, that means a lie. That's an old video. They can decide to put it out there to play it for you. That is my past. This is my present. Anywhere you see here, my beautiful microblading. If I posted the microblading on my status or the day I did it, yes, that was in Nigeria, and the problem has been going on since then. So anything, and please, anybody should not come and be begging me in the name of religion. That religion is a scam. Watch out. I'm not saying Muslim or Christian. No. As far as I'm concerned, religion is a scam right now. All I believe is religion has to be in your heart or the way you are doing. So in the name of religion, you people should just don't come to my DM. Please don't use religion to scam me. Please, I've already had enough. I may decide not to block you, but if I see any, I beg you in the name of Allah, I beg you, no, don't come, don't, no. You don't need to tell me what to do. I'm old enough to know what is good for myself. May this year I'm going to be 52. I may look younger in my face or the way I took care of myself, but I'm not stupid. Okay? I'm not stupid. I may be God, you can use religion to tie me down or to manipulate me, but hey, I've already wake up. You all don't come to me, I beg you in the name of Allah. No, don't come to me. Please, point blank. Any picture you see out there that you didn't see, my microblading and my nose piercing, that's not me. That is my past. We are talking about present, which is my peace of mind. I know what I went through. You were not there. So you can judge me all you can do. But I don't care. As long as I have peace and I'm taking care of myself, I want my peace. Please, if you want, and I pray to Almighty God, I'm not saying Allah, I'm not saying to Almighty God, the creator of heaven and earth. Okay? You all should listen to me. The creator of heaven and earth, that creates me, that creates you. If you want me, or you want that kind of man to your daughter, your granddaughter, your generation to come, if you want that kind of man, I'm not going to mention no name, but you know what I'm talking about. May the good Lord give your daughter, your granddaughter, your great-great-great-granddaughter that kind of man in 100 folks. Okay? I will decide, I'm not talking, I'm not coming out. I don't have to say, this is evidence. I was not raised like that. When you are dealing with somebody, you have to deal with that person with your heart. Ọmọ ní bini roni mi. Ọmọ ní bini roni mi. Ngbo ìyá mi. I'm not coming out for anybody. But the good Lord knows the truth. I'm not going to do any interview with any blogger. I decided to come out because there's a limit to human endurance. The picture coming out there, people are calling me. My family. Do you know this is emotional blackmail? My family are calling me. If I can handle it, how about my family? They might not be able to. I mean, this is too much. From day one, the bashing is too much. Mind you, I'm not looking for social media validation or justice. I'm telling you, I'm fine. My people, I'm still under what? Under therapy. So I'm fine. You all don't need to worry. But please, I'm begging you, don't come to my inbox and be telling me about religious stuff. Please. I'm not a rude person. The only person that I mention her name, that is Alima Isa Yakeset. Oni Sabaka is Sono. And I'm going to deal with her. The reason why I did that, because she took the case upon her head. She was not there with us. She took the side of the people are telling me to stop. So the reason why I decided to mention her name, and which I'm going to, until she comes out and say the truth. Me, I want to mommy, one mommy. There's a lot of people to move be by don't mommy. They know the kind of person I am. If you all can paint me that in your burukunimi, oh well. That's your own opinion. That is your own opinion. That is your own opinion. I want ọmọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi tọmọ kékeré mi. Àwọn sister mi. That is your own opinion. As long as táàrin mi àtọlọ́hun àtàwọn ẹbí mi ò bá ti dàrú. Keep whatever F you have to yourself. Ẹ lọ máa pín kẹ́ máa ṣeré nínú ẹ̀ kẹ́ máa I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just coming out to debunk any video tí ẹ bá rí tí kò bá tí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ta ló ń jẹ́ Alhaja yẹn please Okanlomo mo mention yẹn because ìwọ ló ní fake profile yẹn don't come to my chat rí mi ní chat yẹn don't even Alhaja is okay. It's okay for what? Please don't come to me. I had enough family issue kini. I know it's you. You know I know you. I know you. You don't have to lie. You have about 5 profiles to lumber me check it, which I don't care. That's your own problem. I'm not going to Timba gbé blogger kan dìde àbí bóyá kíní. Okay, I'm too mature for that. Ọlọ́run. Any video tẹ́ ẹ bá rí tí kò bá ti sí microblading mi àti this is my real face mo ṣe jí ni o mi ò tí wẹ̀ o. This is my real face o no filter o kò ṣe filter o microblading mi ni o àti ele no repair tẹ́ ẹ bá ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ any video tó bá gbé jáde kíní kan love kíní kan that's all boo. That is not present. That is my history past. This is my present now. My present is my peace of mind which I choose, and I can never trade it with anyone. Mo kàn gbàládùra gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń rant tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń batch mi left and right tẹ́ ń ṣe àbẹ́yìn tẹ́ ń bẹ́ mi in the name of religious scam okay tẹ́ ń ṣe tí ẹ bá ti gbàdúrà irú that particular person as a husband fún ọmọ yín obìnrin tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ́mọ obìnrin fún ìyàwó ọmọ yín tó máa turn sí ọkùnrin tó máa irú èèyàn bí ẹ̀yẹn ní obìnrin tó máa turn tó bá ti gbàdúrà ẹ̀ ọmọ yín obìnrin ọkọ ọmọ yín ìyàwó ọmọ yín tó máa nírú ìwà bíi that particular person tí mò ń sọ yẹn tó máa nírú ẹ̀ ní obìnrin tẹ́ bá ti gbà á ládùúrà fún generation yín pé kírú ẹ̀ kó wá sínú ìgbésí ayé àwọn ọmọ yín ní 100 folks kẹsàmí ẹ̀ ní ìṣẹ́jú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ because of fan you confirm bullshit am I sure bullshit so I'm fine my loved one you don't have to be worried I'm a strong woman wallahi I've faced a lot mo ṣì wà a lot that sometimes tẹ́ bá rí mi tí mò ń jó tí bá ń sọ pé tèmi yé mi èmi tí mi ò sọ nǹkan kan fún anybody nígbà yẹn so now lèmi máa gbé sórí social media for what ṣé social media ló máa ni mo máa sọ pé kó judge mi ni I don't need that I don't like that I don't need that okay so ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ mi ẹni tẹ́ bá ń bá mi rìn lọ ẹ bá mi ṣe mọ̀ pé ńgbà mi èèyàn máa ń bọ́ sí wrong bus tó bá dẹ̀ ti wọ one chance bus kó máa gbàdúrà kó bọ́lẹ̀ láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà ni tó bá dẹ̀ rí bí bọ́lẹ̀ láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà you don't need to talk just shush be looking at anybody can lie àwọn tó lóye tó mọ́gbọ́n wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ that voice message tó link is not from me it's supposed to be between ẹni tá à ń sọ yìí àtèmi so ẹni tá à ń sọ yìí ẹ gbàgbé pé blogger ni ẹni tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá dẹ̀ tí lójú tì mo rí àwọn fámìlì mi bí báyìí wọn inú mi wọn ò dùn èmi lójú tì ọmọ níbi níran ni mí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni but ẹ kò mọ̀ pé ìrìn àjò ẹ̀dá láyé is part of my destiny mo láti walk through that step ó ní nǹkan tọ́lọ́run fẹ́ fi ṣe ó ní nǹkan tọ́lọ́run fẹ́ fi ṣe kúrò ìrìn àjò mi ni ìyàwó Ìjẹ̀bú ìrìn àjò mi ni but ẹni tí ò bá tí ì rí ìrìn àjò yẹn kò lè mọ bó ṣe ń ṣèyàn bọ́jú gbogbo ẹ lọ nǹkan téèyàn wá ló fa gbogbo ẹ lọ ẹ má bínú ẹni tí bá ṣe but I want to tell you categorically that any video it's my past this is my present and my history tá a bá ṣe history in Nigeria nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ni right where so it's my history I don't need to go back to my history so I want my present now please forgive me I love you all mo ti wẹ̀ wo mo ń sùn látàárọ̀ ni kíkẹ́ yìí pọ̀ and people are like so worried ló jẹ́ kí n jáde on a good day I promise you I'm not going to guarantee any interview with no one. Àwọn family mi ló ń pè they don't like how that thing surface on internet it's too much but it is well I love you all I love you ẹ kú mọ̀ pé mi ò ní jó sọnù ni mi oníjó sọ ni mi kí n máa jójó tèmi ni you know see my face àwọn tájọ gbé nílùú Bòmí àti Láre they all knew they know everything about me so mi kì í ṣe oníjọ̀gbọ̀n but ẹ mọ̀ pé nígbà mi èèyàn okay àǹtí mi Sílà mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ but ẹ mọ̀ ṣáà nítorí Ọlọ́run mo ti gbọ́ ìyá mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé mi tẹ̀ rí bí polówó ọjà mi mi rí bí polówó ọṣẹ tá máa fi ń wẹ̀ àti kinní yẹn because bá polówó people will be calling kinní kan and I don't want to explain I'm not explaining to anybody enough but ẹ̀yin ẹbí mi tẹ́ wà worried mo wà okay any video out there tán bá ń camouflage love kinní kan that's my history this one you see here if you don't see this àmúdẹ̀ ṣe ní ó ti pé yẹ tí mo ti ṣe àmọ́ no spring tí mo ti ṣe tí mo ti ṣe àbá ti rí bẹ̀ cause kìíní yẹn ti ń go on for that 1 year tó àbá ti lè rí mi bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kìíní say don't hold anyone else yes I know so I love you all me ò owe anybody explanation I just want to make a quick video I didn't mention no name because they are coming to my inbox with the name of religion please. Religion is a scam as far as I'm concerned. I'm not saying Islam now. I'm not saying Christian now. But religion has to be in your heart. Don't come to me and preach to me in the name of religion. Please, Ejo. Thank you. I love you all. Maamura ansi mo ṣe jí ni. Mo sùn. Mo ṣe jí ni. Maamura ansi. Ṣé kí ni ọbẹ̀ oge? Okay. Maamura ansi. Then I will like I would like come to for my ní ẹ mọ̀ pé máa ń fáwọn èèyàn ní kíní bó ṣe lè máa tọ́jú ara wọn tó máa look younger okay bye I love you bye love you.